What's up YouTube? What's up YouTube? Welcome to another day in the life of a forest trader. It's your boy Elisavi again on another banger. Guys, like, to be honest with you guys, I'm going to be like, this might be the most rawest video you are going to get on my channel. Like, one of the most rawest video you are going to get on my channel for free. Like, I'm going to be like giving you, this is a gem. What I'm about to give you guys is a gem. So make sure you hold it with two hands, learn it, master it, and practice it. Believe me, you're going to learn how to trade forex. We help analyze the any forex market, be it crypto or whatsoever. Now, before I teach you how to analyze the forex market, see, whatever I'm going to teach you guys today in this video, please make sure you take it with all seriousness, because like I want to give you everything I need to teach you in this video, like everything I need to teach you in this video. So I'm going to be talking about two things in today's video: what time to analyze the forex market, and how to analyze the forex market. See, I am going to be at my rawest mood to give you guys the most value as I could in this video. Like, you guys should please take this video for with all seriousness, because I'm going to give you everything you need to know on how to analyze the forex market and trade the forex market. See, first of all, we have three types of forex traders. Basically, let me say, in the space of the retail traders, we have three categories of forex traders. Please guys, don't be bored by my teaching. I might be slow or I might be fast. Just bear with me and listen carefully. Jot down anything you need, anything as much as possible that you need to jot down on this video. I'm very serious with you guys right now. We have three types of forex traders. First of all, I'm going to be talking about type of forex trader. Like, take everything, even if you have heard me teach this thing before, just listen to this class. First of all, we have three types of forex traders. We have the in the retail space, we categorize traders into three, which is we have the swing traders. That is the number one. Number two, we have the day traders. Number three, we have the scalpers. See, those people that trade on, those swing traders hold their trade. They trade on the weekly and the daily time frame, and they hold their trade for weeks, for days, or even sometimes 2 weeks, depending on how the market wants to move. And as for day traders, they hold their trade for at least 4 hours, 8 hours, or even the whole day, depending on how the market moves. Meanwhile, as for scalpers, they hold their trade for few minutes, like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, to maximum 4 hours, because you are going to be trading on the 5 minutes entry and your zone will be on the 4 hour. So guys, now that you have understood or you have known the type of forex traders, I am going to tell you the best type to start with as a beginner. Starting with a swing trader will give you less setup, because even though they are very strong setup, trading the higher time frame is very important, because their confirmation is very strong, but it is very slow. Imagine you taking 3 trades per week, or let me say even 2 per week. That is very unacceptable by beginners. I know you guys want to take as much trade as possible, but which is not advisable. But when I say you should go to the scalping, you are going to be filled with a lot of anxieties and fear, because the market will be moving too fast on the 5 minute that you cannot even comprehend. So I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to day trade in this video. Most retail traders are day traders, while few or some are scalpers, while some with large capitals are swing traders. But I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to day trade, and what time to analyze for day trading, and when to start trading the day trading. Now, let's start with what is the best time to analyze for day trading. Every type of forex trader has a particular time to analyze the forex market. Now I'm going to be focusing on day trading because that is where I want you to focus on for now. You can, when you start making money in the forex market, you can diverse to whatever time frame you want to, but for now stick to what is not fast, not too slow. It's at the medium. You have to balance your level at this pace. Now, what is the best time to analyze on the daily time frame? The best time to analyze is immediately the daily time frame closes. That is around 12 o'clock in the midnight. Like, you guys should not think that forex is very easy or very juicy as you guys think, guy. Forex is a very difficult, one of the most difficult thing to even comprehend. So one of the best time to analyze the forex market is 12 o'clock in the night, when the daily time frame close. But most of you are going to be asleep by then. Since most of you are going to be asleep by then, you need to wake up as early as 4 o'clock GMT. I don't know, you guys should just listen here. I'm giving you guys the rawest truth you can get from any forex trader as possible as you can. I've been in the market for a few years. I'm pointing out my experience, my everything for you guys. Just learn for free right now, because this might be the best free videos you will ever get on my channel. Now, since by 12 o'clock in the midnight you are at sleep, most of you are asleep, but me sometimes I'm awake even up till 9, so till 1 before I sleep sometimes, but sometimes I'm asleep. So let's forget about 12 o'clock for now, because 90% of us, we are going to be asleep by 12 midnight, where the daily time frame close. Now, when is the second best time to analyze on the daily time frame? Is 4 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock GMT. When you are in Nigeria time, that is around 5 o'clock in the morning. You have to be awake by 4 o'clock GMT, as early as 4 o'clock GMT, to analyze the forex market. Now that you have known when to analyze the forex market, if you can be awake till around 12 GMT, when the market will be closing, depending on your broker, fine, that is perfect. But if you are not going to be awake by then, you can just try your possible best to be awake by 4 o'clock to analyze your chart. Forex is all about sacrifice, and you must pay that sacrifice for you to be profitable in forex trading. I'm not going to try to tell you that forex is easy. Forex is not easy, especially for beginners. Forex is not easy. You have to go through a lot of stress and up and down before you start making money in forex trading. That is just the pure truth about forex. Forget about all the juicy thing people are showing you. That is the pure truth about forex trading. Now that I have tell you the best time to analyze the forex market on as a day trader, now how can you analyze the forex market? Now, before you can start analyzing the forex market, let me explain something to you guys. There's what we call current market price, CMP. Now, what is current market price? This is what we call current market price. Anywhere this price of the market is, this line, that is where the price is at that particular time. That is the current market price. Anywhere the price of the market is at that specific time, that is the current market price. I will repeat myself again. Anywhere the market is, anywhere the price is at that particular time, that is the current market price. Now, why did I say earlier that you need to wake up by 12 when the market is closed for it to analyze? Is because by then the market is not moving and the current market price is at one place. Or even if it's moving, it just open or is already closed. Now that you have understood the current market price, let's take for example you want to be analyzing at least by 12 o'clock in the midnight when the daily time frame just closed. Now let's take for example this is the current market price, this where the market is now, that is the current market price. What you are going to be doing is to mark your zone, your daily zone, above the current market price and below the current market price, and refine it and refine that zone. Now this is my zone, this is my zone, this is my second zone, this is another zone right here. So now I have marked this. This is how to analyze the forex market. I have marked my zone in less than 5 minutes. If you don't know how to identify zone or refine zone, go back to my videos and watch. Just make sure you just take all the free knowledges I'm giving to you guys for free. Take it serious, because few weeks from now it might just enter me and I will delete all the videos and I will delete all these videos. I'm doing this for all the people that are on my channel right now watching videos for free and are struggling with forex trading. Now that you have marked your zone above and below the current market price, what you are going to be doing is wait till 6 a.m. GMT. In Nigeria it is 7 a.m. GMT. Why? Because you want to wait for when there is volume in the market, so that when you buy or you sell, there is going to be enough volume in the market for the market to move in your direction or for the market to move faster. Now after marking your zone, if you can be awake by 12, good and fine. If you can't be awake by 12, at least by 4 a.m. GMT you should be awake by then. Now as you have marked your zone from 7 a.m., what you are going to be doing is wait patiently for price to either go to any of these two zones. Price can either go up or go down. What you are going to be doing is for you to wait patiently for price to come either to this your zone at the bottom or to this one at the top. If price go to your zone at the bottom, price will either go to the zone at the bottom or the zone at the top. Now when price get to that zone, any of those zone, let's take for example price has gotten to this one at the bottom. For example, let me just take for example price has gotten to this one at the bottom. For example, what you will do is to apply the rule of 30. I have explained that in my free video. If you guys are not taking this thing serious, I might delete this video anytime from my channel. Please, you guys should just take it with all seriousness. When I mean all seriousness, I mean it. Like, I mean every single thing I'm saying. Now when price go to any of those two zones you mark, that is above the current market price and below the current market price, you switch to your rule of 30. That is daily time frame divided by 30. Approximately is around 40 something minutes, but since 40 something minutes is not in MT5 or whatever trading platform you are using, then you can just use 30 minutes for safety purposes or for availability purposes. Now that you have known which time frame to mark your zone, which is the daily time frame, and the time frame for you to trade on is 30 minutes. You're going to be trading on the 30 minutes. Now what I want you to do is for you to wait patiently from 6 o'clock in the morning GMT. In Nigeria that is 7 o'clock in the morning. You have to switch to your 30 minutes time frame. Now what I want you to what I what you will now do is for you to wait for price to tap into this zone like this, and then create an ABC, that is smart money order flow, showing you where the market is going to at the particular time. Now you are going to refine your zone. Price will now come to your zone before taking up. This is how to trade the forex market, as simple as this. Like, I know psychologically, even me up to now, sometimes I take, like today I take one silly trade, and I know definitely that I'm not supposed to take that trade, and I felt bad about it, but I know it will not repeat itself again. I take one silly trade today which I lost $5, but it's nothing, because on a normal days I can make $30, $40 in a single day. So, but why I'm not happy with the trade is because the trade was not in alignment with my trading plan. The trade was not in alignment with my trading plan. It's not about taking losses in forex trading. It's all about when you take losses with your trading plan, it's not a bad thing. But when you take losses without your trading plan, that is where the bad thing in forex trading happens. Now that you have understood how to mark your zone, when to mark your zone, and what to expect to see at your zone. What did you expect to see at your zone? When price come to your zone, I will repeat myself over and over again until you guys learn. When price come to your zone, what you should expect is price tap into your zone. What you should be expecting to see is ABC. This ABC simply means price telling you that I am ready to go up. Or let me say price tap to this one at the top. What you want to see is ABC. Now this is price trying to tell you where to go. Now then you trade the order flow. If you go to my YouTube, you can see I've explained a little bit about order flow, but most of the content about order flow is another broad topic on its own, but I'm going to be teaching that one in my mentorship alone, because I can't go through, I can't like I'll upload tire. That one is meant for my mentorship. Like, but guys, like, I want to give you guys simple stuff to start making money with. It's not, you don't need to be jumping from strategy to strategy. Go for what is simple, follow it, make few money with it. When you are now stable, you can then start testing other strategies. When you are now start making profit, if you wish to test, if you wish to stick to it, but it's better if you stick to it. Now then you wait for price to retrace back into your zone, then you buy from here to take price lower, or you wait for price to retrace back into your zone, then you sell from here to take price lower. Guys, this is everything you need to know about forex. Although I'm not gonna lie, there is more to this, like the sniper entry and the refined zone, the rule of 6, the rule of 30, the rule of 1. I explain most. I give you like a few clear on it on my video, on my last videos. You guys can go and watch that one. There is more to it, especially my sniper entry, which is the rally and value choke, and then the trend. There is more to this, but when it comes to analyzing the forex market, this is how simple and easily you can analyze the forex market. Step 1, know when to analyze the forex market. Either 12 as a day trader, either around 12 in the midnight when the candle close of the daily time frame is closed, or you can be awake as early as sorry guys, as early as 4 a.m. to analyze the forex market. How do you analyze the forex market? Mark your zone above and below the current market price. When you are done marking the zone, You wait patiently for price to come into that zone. Then what did you do when price come into the zone? You will still wait patiently for the price to tell you that I'm about to go up or I'm about to go down. Then you identify a zone at this bottom, wait for price to come down into that zone, then you buy up. This is the concept behind trend line, behind flip zone. This is when flip zone work. This is why trend line work, because someone that is trading trend line, for example, will just place his trend line right here and then draw this line to the top, and then see first touch, second touch, third touch. That is why trend line, when a trend line is in alignment with order flow, that is when trend line works. Instead of you to learn trend line, then why not learn the order flow instead? Guys, this is every, like, I don't know how I'm going to be explaining this again. Like, I'm just giving you guys like gems. These are gems. Guys, take everything I'm telling you now for with all seriousness. Don't take it for granted. Guys, although I did not share about my snapper entry in this video, but that is in my mentorship, and there is more to it than this, but this simple analysis will make you go far in forex trading. This simple analysis will make you go far in forex trading. Make you go far. This is how to trade a forex market. Repeat the same thing over and over on every blessed day. When the market, when it's around 6 p.m. in the night, just delete all the line, wait till when the market close again. You mark high and low zone above and below current market price. You wait for time for price, you wait for the day to break, then you wait for price to come to that zone, give you a valid change of character that you want to go up or you want to go down, then you buy or you sell. This is I think I have tried my best to give you guys like the most knowledge as I could. Like, these are gems. Take with all seriousness. So guys, if you want to join my mentorship, I'm still working on it. Let me see, by God grace, next month it's going to be fully active for membership, but I'm still working on it. If you, although my private group is currently active, but I'm working on my chat room, just like a chat room website where all of where I can be doing live chat with my, I can be analyzing the chart directly with my students. But currently we are only on WhatsApp private mentorship. I give you access to exclusive videos on my mentorship. Then any question you have, you can just DM me directly into my WhatsApp. It's not that I don't help people who are not in my mentorship. Those who are there for free, they know I'm very helpful. But most of my knowledges and my time is meant for those who are in my mentorship, because they invested in their learning. And I'm doing this video especially because of my student called Lucky. He's one of the person I really want to succeed, because although even though he did not even give me that much money, but I just want that guy to succeed by all means. Guy, just analyze the way I just explain everything. Watch this video as much time as possible. Learn everything. If you can save this video, because you might come to my channel the next 2 or 3 weeks and you will not find this video and some other videos you have been seeing on my channel. That is fact, that is truth. See you in the next one. Have a blessed day. Have a peaceful chatting and analysis. Peace out.